Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of j as in jump. Now we will see some of the examples. J says j as in jar. J says j as in jeep. J says j as in jet. G says j as in jam. G says j as in ginger. G says j as in gym. DGE says j as in bridge. DGE says j as in gadget. DGE says j as in lodge. GE says j as in orange. GE says j as in cage. DGE says j as in judge. G gives the sound of j when it is followed by I-E-Y. J says j as in jar. J, j, jar. Initial position. G says j as in jeep. J, j, jeep. J says j as in jet. J, j, jet. G says j as in gem. J, j, jam. G says j as in ginger. J, j, ginger. G says j as in gym. J, j, gym. DGE says j. Final position says j as in bridge. J, j, bridge. DGE says j as in gadget. J, j, gadget. DGE says j as in lodge. J, j, lodge. GE says j as in orange. J, j, orange. GE says j as in cage. J, j, cage. DGE says j as in judge. J, j, judge.